Hi friends, welcome to the Inspired channel. Today I want to share something which many of us don't know regarding savings through shares. Even though there are so many members sharing their knowledge, but many of us are not ready to save money by keeping in the shares. I think you all get it out that you are saying shares and you are saying that saving money, how is it possible? And I have to spend money if I lost, who is responsible? How to know that? How can I save money? How can I get that money back? So many questions are rising for us, right? So to end up all those questions, I just want to give a small analysis from my side. I'm just taking an example. This is an example I'm just showing to you all. I just share my knowledge regarding this, and it is just my idea that if you want to spend money in this, you may get a bright savings. So let's see that how much with the what amount I started and how much amount I got right now. That's we'll see now in this video. So for example, I just thought that I invested 5 lakhs in the market, and I invested in the market in two different ways, that is Quera and Upstocks. I think you all know that, and which do brokerage for us, those two apps. Actually, those two are mobile apps, and by that I just check it out how much money I invested and how much money I got through profit. So that video and that knowledge I'm sharing to you with the help of graphs, and two types of graphs I selected. One is pie chart and the other one is bar chart. So with this, I'll just share my knowledge now. And then I invested 5 lakhs in three different ways, that is ETF, stocks, and mutual funds. And still, I divided those three different ways into two more ways, that is equities and bonds. Yes, bonds are also there available in the market. Now we'll see. And if I invest, how much I'll get percentage of profit and overall percentage of profit, how much we will get. Let's have a look. To make it more easier, I done that with the help of graphs like pie chart and bar chart. Now just move on to the video. For example, by seeing this first, I'm going to explain this first chart now. I'm explaining this first chart. In this, I invested 5 lakhs. Say, okay, so the 5 lakhs how I invested, it shows in the help of a percentage. In Quera app, I invested 41% of my amount, and Upstocks I invested 59% of my amount. Okay, so these two are mobile apps. Now, if you see the next, move on to the next pie chart. I said no, I invested in three different ways, that is mutual funds, stocks, and ETFs. MF is nothing but mutual funds. So in this, I invested 56.5% in ETFs and 40.6% in mutual funds I invested, and 2.9% in stocks I invested. So this is about this pie chart, and now I'm explaining this, the third pie chart. This is about asset allocation. And in this 91 maximum of my amount is there in equities, 90%, and the rest 9.9% is there in bonds. So this is going to say about asset allocation. Now by seeing this percentage change since invested, from when I invested from that to till date, I just took the percentage of that. So in this is tells about only percentage change, and this is saying that in stocks how much I invested, like 40 out of 40.6%, it is showing 19.49% of profit, and Quera is saying 12.78% of showing 12.78% profit to me. And this graph is explaining that ETF is complete ETF is showing 19.75 profit percentage and 14.53 percentage profit by stocks and 12.78 percentage by mutual funds. And this graph equity asset allocation is saying that equities is showing a profit of 18.48% and bonds are showing 1.13%. Now, if you combine this two, what will happen? This is about how much amount I invested, and this is about percentage of profit I earned till date. Okay, percentage of profit I earned till date. This is if you combine this two, you may get a knowledge of this. See, for example, in this out of 100%, 59% I invested in Upstocks, and I got a profit of 19.49%. And out of 40.6%, I got a profit of 12.78%. So I invested more in Upstocks, so my profit also is more in Upstocks. So by seeing this, I can easily understand that okay, I am investing in a right manner. Now, if you combine these two graphs and observe what is there here, in this I invested more in ETF. So 56.5% I invested in ETF, and here also the percentage also coming 19.75%. Highest profit percentage I got in ETF, whereas I invested very less in stocks, that is 2.9%. But here it is showing the second highest, 14.53%. So, and mutual funds, here I invested second. Actually, second highest investment is done in mutual funds, that is 40%, and it is showing the least profit, that is 12.78%. If you combine this two, highest profit, highest amount I invested in ETF, and the highest profit also I got in ETF. Whereas least amount I invested in stocks, but I got second highest profit in stocks. Okay, that is the smallest change here. And coming to asset allocation, yes, 90% I invested in equities, and the highest profit 18.48% also in equities only, and 9% in bonds, and 1.13% in bonds. So highest I invested in equities, and the highest percentage also I got in equities. Least I invested in bonds, and least percentage also I got in bonds. So by this, asset allocation is good, and whereas in this invested vehicle breakdown, whereas the least, where I invested the least and I got the second highest profit. And here mobile app, it is correct, because highest amount I invested in upstocks, and the highest profit also I earned in upstocks. So by this, I just want to share my knowledge, and in this way it is going to work, and in this way I invested. I hope you can understand this. So this is just an example of financial analysis, and I just want to share my views. I hope I explained a little bit good. Thank you for watching.